Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video onto your Wix website. This is a great way to make your site more engaging and give visitors a richer experience. The process is very simple, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add YouTube videos to your pages without any hassle. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and head over to your dashboard. From there, select the website you want to edit. Once the editor opens, you're already halfway there. On the left-hand side of your editor, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the plus icon, also known as the Add button, and click on it. A new menu will appear with lots of elements you can add to your site. For embedding a video, hover over the Embed option. Now you'll see more choices. Keep hovering until you spot the option for single video players. Click on the YouTube logo, which is a built-in Wix feature designed to make embedding videos easy. The best part is that you don't need to know any coding. It's all set up for you. After that, click on Change Video. A field will appear where you can paste your video link. Go to the YouTube video you want to use, copy the URL from the address bar, and paste it into the input field in Wix. Double-check the link to make sure there are no typos, because even a small error can prevent the video from displaying. Once you've confirmed the link, close the box, and your YouTube video will now be embedded on your page. You can resize or reposition it as needed, and it's ready to play directly on your site. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've added a YouTube video to your Wix website, giving it a more dynamic and professional touch. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and useful Wix tutorials.